What's up, YouTube? Check it out. We got a National Tool Warehouse unboxing right now. So let's get into it. Got dropped off today, so let's open her up and see what we got. Bam! Check her out. We got the Sun X Tools 9734, 34-piece quick change fastener bit set. That's the automotive set right there. The one that you see at Matco and all those other expensive brands. Blue Point. And then we got this right here, the small caliper press. Bada bing, bada boom. Let's open her up. Ugh. She's got some tape on her, damn it. Hold on, we go. We'll get her open. Check it out, and this is like a ratcheting or something like that. So yeah, and it's like this most definitely doesn't match the picture of the one that I ordered. I'm gonna have to look into that. This bad boy, let's open this up. All right, so check out the case. It's got a nice case. You could even put a little lock on there if you wanted. It's got a sliding latch. Opens right up. Splits in two fairly easy. Nice little storage compartment. You got the quick change collars. 1/2 inch, 3/8, 1/4 inch, 1/4 inch, 5/16, 3/8. So this would be good for your hose clamps, odds and ends like that, or even working in your home, doing little jobs in your home even. You can use this kit. You got your Posi, Phillips, Torx, just your main popular bits here. Phillips 1 through 3, yeah. Torx is 15 through 30. Perfect set. And down here you got T8 to T10. Awesome. And then you got you got 1 and 2 Posi, actually up to 3, 1 through 3 Posi and 1 through 3 Phillips. You got what I'm saying? All right. And then what are these? These are your 3-inch bits, I believe, or 4-inch. I think these are 3. Let's see, the longest bits, those are, that's in there good. These are 3-inch bits, not 4-inch. They're just half length, so if you need a half length, it's right here. And, you know, I'm sure you can always dig up the shorties, or you could put some shorties in here if you wanted some shorties. But either way, this is a pretty awesome set. Everything here shipped from National Tool Warehouse. I ordered it last Thursday. Today is Thursday. So a week for it to get here. $83. That's right, $83 for these tools right here. This set alone is 83 bucks on sale on the truck. Right there, nationaltoolwarehouse.com. Gotta love it. Like, comment, subscribe. Deuces.